Hi, I'm Rhiannon, and today I'm going to show you how to cook some amazing prawns grilled on an Auspit.
So we've all heard the Australian saying to throw another shrimp on the barbie, and today we're going to do just that. Today we'll be seasoning our prawns using the Flaming Coals Gyros rub, which is a great all-purpose Australian rub. Now to punch in that extra bit of flavour, add some crushed garlic. Once the prawns are all rubbed up, simply put them on some skewers and get them on a hot grill for about 10 minutes.
To demonstrate the versatility of the Auspit folding grill, we've got our burgers on the hot plate, and now it's time to put our prawns on. To add in extra flavour to your prawns, baste regularly with a mixture of olive oil and lemon juice. Now as soon as you see this prawn start to change colour, just flip them over. Now these prawns are looking great and they're done. And here you have it, some beautiful prawns cooked on the Auspit grill, seasoned with the Flaming Coals Gyros rub.